In this video, we're going to look at fixing your UV seams in Adobe Substance Painter. So, once you've opened your project, you're going to want to first create a new paint layer. And after doing that, you're going to want to go up to the base color, change this to pass through, then height, again to pass through, roughness, pass through again, and then the last two, metallic and normal, again to pass through. Now once you've done this, you're going to go over to the left hand side and press on the stamp tool. Then you're going to press V on one of the side where the seam isn't, and then simply paint over the seam. And as you can see there, the seam is now gone. And that's it guys, that's all you have to do to fix your UV seams. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.